The 2026 Honda Freed Spike makes a grand return, blending practicality, technology, and compact versatility in a way that few rivals can match. Designed with families, adventurers, and urban commuters in mind, the Freed Spike continues to build on its reputation as a space-efficient MPV with clever storage options and smart engineering. With its latest refresh, Honda has brought new life into the model, offering modern updates that keep it competitive in an increasingly crowded market. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Freed Spike is powered by a refined 1.5-liter engine paired with an efficient hybrid system, which now comes with improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. Honda's HEV technology, already a hit in other models, makes the Freed Spike even more suitable for city traffic and stop-and-go scenarios. It delivers smooth acceleration, minimal engine noise, and a driving experience that feels more upscale than its compact footprint might suggest. Visually, the new Freed Spike receives a more mature and stylish front fascia, featuring slim LED headlights, a redesigned grille, and sharper lines that give the vehicle a sportier yet sophisticated look. The rear has also been updated with new taillight clusters and a practical tailgate for easier cargo loading. Despite its boxy shape, the updated design successfully hides its size with aerodynamic elements and modern proportions. Step inside, and the Freed Spike impresses with an airy cabin layout that prioritizes comfort and functionality. The dashboard has been reworked with a larger touchscreen infotainment system that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster has gone fully digital, providing drivers with intuitive control and real-time hybrid performance feedback. Soft touch materials, improved seat cushioning, and sound deadening enhancements contribute to a quieter and more refined interior than previous versions. Perhaps the most standout feature remains the rear cargo space. The Freed Spike is unique among mini MPVs for its flat loading flow, configurable rear seats, and a cargo-focused approach. The rear seats can be folded fully flat or lifted to create vertical space, making it ideal for transporting bicycles, gear, or even as a sleeping space for road trips. It's the ultimate do-it-all vehicle for urban dwellers who need flexibility without stepping into a full-size minivan. Honda has also taken safety to the next level in the 2026 model. The new Freed Spike comes equipped with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system, and traffic sign recognition. These features, once reserved for larger models, now bring peace of mind to drivers in this more compact package. Fuel efficiency, ease of parking, and overall utility make the 2026 Honda Freed Spike a top pick for small families, delivery professionals, and those who live an active lifestyle. It's compact on the outside but spacious on the inside, maintaining its identity as a smart urban hauler with impressive versatility. In summary, the 2026 Honda Freed Spike delivers everything you'd expect from a modern MPV: efficient powertrains, advanced safety, clever storage, and connectivity, all while keeping its footprint small. It's an ideal choice for those looking for a balance between minivan utility and compact convenience. Honda continues to lead the way with innovation that meets real-world needs, and the Freed Spike is proof that practical doesn't have to be boring.